In this video, I will explain how htaccess files work in the PHP CodeIgniter framework. At times, you will see only the home page is loading properly, and all other pages are showing 404 not found error. The most probable reason for this is your server does not support SEO-friendly URL. Verify if a .htaccess file already exists. If there is no existing file, you will have to create a new .htaccess file. If you can't find it, maybe the file is hidden. Click on the setting button and check Show Hidden Files. Now, you can see the .htaccess file. Type the code snippet here. This will enable the SEO-friendly URL. Access the page on your browser. It's now loading. So, you need a .htaccess file to run PHP CodeIgniter with SEO-friendly URL. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get new video updates.